pull into this little place right here. It's called Broken Spit.
Oh, there's the sun.
Yeah, we was here before, parked right here, ready to go in, and yours truly ding, said, "This ain't it. Go down there." So we left and went down there, and guess what?
No.
Guess what? Guess
No.
what? Go ahead, guess what?
No.
Can you guess? Guess what? She was wrong again. Now, just so everybody knows, her rights is really her lefts, and her lefts is really her rights, and that evidently right here is really down there. So I don't know. So. I'm Tom.
I'm Vicky.
We're at the Carolina Travel Channel. We are here today at the Broken Spit restaurant in Siler City, North Carolina. And we hear they got some good vittles going on, so we're gonna go check them out. So let's go see what type of barbecue they got, if they got ribs. I'm in a rib kind of crunching mood. All right, so let's go. You ready? What are you gonna get? There's that old thing. Come on in. Vicky, I got a bone to pick with you. Ribs, chicken, sausage, barbecue, got a brisket, cornbread, macaroni and cheese, white slaw, 6 different sauces, and everything is amazing. So good, delicious. How's yours, Vic?
Good.
Really good.
Finger looking good.
Well, guys, we just finished here at the Broken Spit barbecue restaurant in Siler City, and we met the owner here that runs the restaurant, Alex, and a super great guy telling us how he did his barbecue. And boy, they own to something here. I ain't lying, because you know when your ribs just fall off the bone, let's tell you they're perfect. Yeah. And they were. They had all kinds of different sauces, 6 different ones, I believe. I'll post in the video down there, and you'll see what they're called. But we're gonna go on. We had all kinds. I got the platter, the small platter. If you think that was small, but I guarantee the four people, get you 4 people. I got it.
All right.
Because we got a lot to carry home to Mama, so she better be hungry. Mama, you better be hungry. I'm just saying, you better be hungry. But anywho, let's get on back down the road. And thanks for watching, guys. And if you can, stop out here and check them out, because they're super good. Yeah. And it just sits back out here a little bit out of Siler City here, but super good. Come check them out. Good.